Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a Pineapple Fizz. So let's make the drink. The first thing I'm going to do is take 1.5 ounces of fresh squeezed pineapple juice. And yes, I do squeeze my own pineapples. Maybe I'll do a video on that someday in case you don't know how to do it. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. I'm going to put that in the bottom of the glass. Next, 1 teaspoon, which is 5 milliliters, of sugar. I'm going to drop that into the glass. Then I'm going to stir that around a bit, help the sugar dissolve. I'll be with you in a moment. Okay, now that the sugar is dissolved, I'm going to add 2 ounces of rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Grab my ice. Ice grabbed, I'm going to put that into the glass, trying not to spill. And top it off with club soda. Oh, looks like my wife has been drinking my club soda. Good for her. Now with my long spoon, I'm going to sink this to the bottom, and I'm going to give this a couple easy stirs. I don't want it to fizz too much because we want to keep the fizz in the fizz. Add a straw. And add a garnish. And in this case, I'm going to use a pineapple wedge. Where I cut this. And that's it. A Pineapple Fizz. Drink with good spirits.